Y'all voted? Let's do this. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Pacifica One Brand Wash Day. Again, this is a line that I have had my eyeballs on at the drugstore for a very long time and just have never gotten around to testing it out and playing with it. So today we'll be doing kind of a first impression. I did go to the Pacifica website and spend a good amount of time digging through all of their products to try and find the products that I think would work best for this format of One Brand Wash Days. You may have other thoughts on which products from this particular brand I should have used for this One Brand Wash Day, and if that is the case, I'm all ears. I'm open to suggestions. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments if I missed something, because honestly, I looked for a gel from this brand for a minute or two on their website and never found one, but I did find a hairspray. And lately, I have seen on the Curly Girl Instagrams people using just hairspray as their styler, and it's working out real good. So we are absolutely going to be trying that out today. This is what my hair is looking like. Keep in mind, oh my goodness, that was bad. For once, we do not have, that was really painful pulling that out. I need to finish one single thought. Keep in mind that these One Brand Wash Days are 3 products. We're using a shampoo, a very moisturizing conditioner, maybe a deep conditioner, or just like a really moisturizing conditioner, skipping leave-in conditioner, curl cream. We are minimizing steps and using one styler. So 3 products for these One Brand Wash Days, all from one brand, in order to give you more information as the consumer as to how these products perform on one head of hair. My hair is low porosity at the roots and medium to high porosity on my mid-lengths to ends, because there is some bleach hiding in here. It is very fine and wavy. It is a looser curl pattern rather than a tighter curl pattern. Now that you know what my hair type is, let me tell you what's going on with my hair. This is day 4 hair that was styled with just a hairspray last time, but it's been unrefreshed, it's been brushed out. I think there's some pre-poo hair oil in here because I don't tend to brush out my hair without that in my hair. But like, we got some serious product in this hair. We've got some serious greasy roots. Let me turn around and show you the before hair, back of my head. We're floofy, we're dry, we're undefined. Yeah, like not shiny. There's product buildup on here. This is bad. Okay, now that we've taken care of business, let's go play around with these Pacifica products. Alrighty guys, here we go. Starting off this wash day, getting my hair nice and soaking wet. Once my hair is thoroughly saturated with water, I grab the Pineapple Curls Curl Defining Shampoo. This boasts hyaluronic acid as one of the ingredients, but looking at the ingredients label, it's actually one of the last ingredients on the ingredients label, which usually means that it's a not very concentrated ingredient. However, this does contain 5 really gentle surfactants right up at the top of the ingredients label. This appears to be 100% curly hair approved. It does contain some other really beautiful ingredients like allantoin. I think I said that right. It's a very hydrating ingredient, argan oil, olive oil, and it contains hydrolyzed quinoa and hydrolyzed rice protein, which I tend to like products that contain protein. Once I have really scrubbed my scalp with the pads of my fingers, I was decently impressed with the lather. I did have day 4 old hair, but I could tell that this product took care of the gunk on the first cleanse. It's kind of a feel thing. Sorry, I can't be more specific than that, but I could tell that all the oil was gone, so I'm going to rinse my hair completely. When I did that, my hair did feel kind of dry and stripped and rather tangly. This is not one of those shampoos that left my hair feeling really nourished. It felt more like a volumizing type shampoo rather than like a really hydrating shampoo. Then I grabbed the Pineapple Curls Curl Defining Conditioner. Again, it boasts hyaluronic acid, but it's towards the very bottom of the ingredients label as well, just like as with the shampoo. So I'm not sure why they're marketing that ingredient. if they're gonna put so little of it in their formula. Also, I'm not sure how helpful hyaluronic acid is in hair care. I know it's great in skincare. Moving on, this is almost curly hair friendly. It does contain an emulsifying wax, which in theory is not curly hair friendly, but it does contain no silicones, which is quite nice. It also contains some hydrolyzed soy protein, which I'm gonna love. It's hard to find a conditioner at the drugstore that contains some protein, so this fits that bill. This product has decent slip, and once I've worked that through with my fingers, I do grab my Perfect Hair Care brush to continue distributing that through my hair. This is a cruelty-free product, which is nice if that is something that you are concerned about. The fragrance on both the shampoo and conditioner is rather odd. It's kind of coconutty, but also really strong pineapple fragrance. I am borderline insensitive to it. It's kind of making my face itch, but not too bad. Then I'm going to reform my curl clumps with the Perfect Hair Care brush. And once I've done that, grab a wide tooth comb and run that through my hair for curl clump size. We've seen this once or twice at this point. There is no product in my hair, and I'm going to kind of scrunch everything to make sure that everything is in place and the curl clumps are about the size that I like. At this point, I've gotten a really good feel for how big my curl clumps need to look before I apply my stylers to kind of get the best wash day results. Now it's time for the Pacifica Big Waves Soft Hold and Volume Hairspray for lasting surfy hair vibes. This is a coconut, sea salt, and vanilla fragrance, I am assuming. Or perhaps those are the ingredients, as sea salt is really an ingredient. This is technically not curly hair friendly because it does contain a denatured alcohol, which is a drying alcohol. But as I'm going to be holding it away from my head as I apply it, in theory, that drying alcohol is going to evaporate before it comes into contact with my hair. So the drying effects of the drying alcohol in this hairspray should be fairly mitigated. I do appreciate that this is Big Waves, like it's marketed to wavy hair, and it's their strongest hold product. Most brands tend to make their wavy lines really light hold, when in fact, in my personal experience, wavy hair needs more hold. So thank you, Pacifica. I appreciate that. This does contain a decent amount of sea salt and coconut milk, not coconut oil, and some decent hold ingredients. Once I have just kind of sprayed that everywhere, I do scrunch it through nice and thoroughly. This is what my curl clumps are looking like once I have applied the product. I'm feeling pretty good about this. Now it's time to go plop and diffuse. Alrighty, this is what my hair is looking like once I have diffused it to 90% dry and then let it finish air drying the rest of the way. It is ready. It is time for me to scrunch out the crunch. But before I do that, I do want to say that even though the Pacifica Big Waves Soft Hold Volume Hairspray is not curly hair friendly because of that drying alcohol, the drying alcohol gave me a blistering fast diffuse time. I'm kind of into that. I'm kind of into my hair diffusing quickly. I like this. This is good. So those are my thoughts so far. This is what my hair is looking like in the cast. I wasn't expecting the soft hold hairspray to give me a cast, but it came kind of close. Like, sort of crunchy, sort of have a cast in my hair. Let's see how well this scrunches out. Because I don't want crispy hairspray curls. That's not terribly cute. Wow, this is scrunching out really easy. Now I'm just having fun. Oh man. Oh my goodness. What is happening? I had such low expectations for this product. I had really low expectations. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let me turn around and show you the back. I'm gonna look too. Oh, that's pretty cute. All right, guys, that is it for the Scrunch Out the Crunch. These are the Washday results. This is pretty darn impressive. We will be back at the end of the day to see how it's holding up, and then I'll be back for day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. Oh my goodness, guys, what is happening? My hair is looking so cute. It is looking so pretty. The volume is insane. My hair feels very lightweight. It is, let's see, what's the grit level? It's like a 3-level grit. Like, I think I could run my fingers through my hair decently easy, but there's like this volume and zhuzh that's happening. But my hair still feels really soft and touchable. I can kind of feel that sea salt spray a little bit on my fingers, but it's very minimal. With other sea salt type sprays, I feel a lot more of that grit. Definition is really good. I haven't used and abused this hair too much. There has been a little bit of errand running, wandering around outside, chasing children, so it has been kind of lived in and blown about, but there's also been more computer work than normal, so there's been a lot of sitting inside being still too. So I haven't worked out at the gym or really trashed this hair, but still, it's held up absolutely beautifully. There is, let's see, yeah, you can kind of see the frizz a little bit. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not 100% frizz free. Let's see if I like just do some prayer hands. Sometimes that'll like pull the frizz back into curl families. It also will pull volume out, which is why you kind of like scrunch it back. That maybe helped a little bit. Let's take a look at the back. Oh yeah, that held up good. Honestly, my mind's a little bit blown right now. I was really not expecting much out of this product, and this product is reminding me of like the Briogeo product. Like, I was shocked by the Briogeo gel and how well it worked in my hair. I'm feeling the same levels of astonishment here because I really wasn't expecting much. Have y'all been like sitting on this secret for a long time and I've just been ignoring y'all? I'm pretty sure I have seen people tell me, hey, you need to try this product in YouTube comments. And I just was like, yeah, sure, okay. I should have listened to y'all sooner because this is good stuff. All right, I will see you tomorrow morning to see how it held up overnight, but I'm feeling pretty good about this. I do want to say that I don't know how well this product's gonna work long term over time because of that drying alcohol. In theory, it is supposed to evaporate off when you spray it. Since it's not like touching your hair, you're kind of spraying it and it's supposed to evaporate off. But my hair dried really, really fast, which tells me that that drying alcohol was still kind of in the equation a little bit. So that makes me think that potentially with consistent long-term use, this might has the potential to dry out your hair. But honestly, my hair doesn't feel dried out at all. It feels less hairspray than other hairsprays I've tried. Okay, I just wanted to throw in that quick note about the drying alcohol. Now I will see you tomorrow morning for day 2. Good morning. Here we are on the morning of day 2 for this One Brand Wash Day. Apparently I wear black shirts every other day because it seems like every day 2 now I'm in a black shirt. Anyway, this is what the hair is looking like, 100% unrefreshed. I just took it down while I got ready for the day. Let's take a quick look at it and see if we need to like refresh it or do anything to it. It's kind of looking pretty good. It may not need anything. It is just the teeniest bit frizzy. And I'm kind of feeling like if I just get a little bit of water on it and smooth it out, that may be all it needs. Let's give that a try. All I've done is wet my hands in the sink, and I am kind of doing a glaze over this hair and a gentle scrunch. With refreshing, especially wavy hair, you need a very soft touch, and that is not my strong suit. I tend to be pretty heavy-handed with my products and my refreshing, and that usually means that my refreshes turn out terrible. Okay, I think that's all this hair needs. I'm not even gonna diffuse it, because if I diffuse my hair when it's damp versus soaking wet, it really frizzes on me. I tend to get better results if my hair is damp to just like air dry the rest of the way. So after a very, very gentle refresh, this is what the hair is doing. And I'm being very careful with how I'm moving now because my hair is damp and it's more susceptible to frizz when it's damp. So I'm gonna try and like not move too much until it's dry, and then I can go back to normal order of operations, I guess. All right, guys, that is it for this One Brand Wash Day. I've gotta say that I was quite impressed with Pacifica. I was not expecting to love it as much as I did. I'm not an incredible fan of the fragrance of the shampoo and conditioner, but my hair is really clean. Usually on day 2, I'm looking a little bit greasier than this. The shampoo cleansed beautifully. My hair feels pretty good. I feel like the conditioner did a decent job of moisturizing my hair and getting everything to clump together. But this is kind of cool. This is kind of magical. My hair is feeling slightly drier than it normally does, or like I would normally like for it to on day 2. My hair tends to get drier and drier and drier in between wash days. Like the roots get really greasy, but the ends get kind of dry. And I can feel that like this, it's just a tad bit dry, just a tad bit. And I think that is the alcohol and sea salt in this product. But honestly, I am just nitpicking at this point because this was really good. Let me know in the comments down below which One Brand Wash Day you would like to see next. And as always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.